What's up, ghouls and goblins? It's D-Max Productions, and today we will be making a custom animatronic build. So today we're going to be making a scarecrow on a totem pole thing that its mouth moves and its stomach tendons move. So these are the things that you will need for the project. And it's a relatively price-friendly budget. It's like $40 for everything. That's way less than a Spirit Halloween animatronic. Instead of $400, you're paying $40 for a customizable animatronic. And that's the total there for everything. So here's just the process of me doing it. So I glued the skull head on the top of the toilet paper thing, not toilet paper, paper towel holder, and I cut the mouth out. I glued the flannel onto it, and I put the car inside with the moving wheels up top and the shaking wheels on the bottom. And I put the burlap on, painted the inside of bottom of the mouth, glued it on, and I put paper towel rolls in the arms so they can stay stable. And then I put the stake, which is not a stake, it is in fact a bottom of a broom, and that's in the bottom of the animatronic. So here's the demo. Before I show the demo, you guys should like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me how I did on this animatronic.